Welcome to the bloopers. We also had some bloopers on our little cell phone movie. Here you see my sister running through the trees, and look, there's the quad bike. It's not supposed to be there, but it's there. Blooper. I asked my granny at 6 years old not to talk, and look here, she's talking. I said, Granny, please try not to talk. Yeah, I've got my sister trying to be not laugh, looking tired, and she's running, and I'm running, and yeah, you will see that she starts to laugh. And again, let's do the shot again. You will see the camera's movement here. I almost tripped and fell right into the dam because I'm running to the back, not looking where I'm going. And here you will see me almost trip. This last scene, we were supposed to take her from the front, but she ran too fast with our little quad bike. And yeah, we passed her by. And welcome to the director's commentary. As you can see, this whole movie was shot and edited on my cell phone. This scene is my favorite. It is, as you will see now, we're going to move through the trees on the drawing, but also on the next scene you will see my sister running through the trees on our farm. As I said, the actor that we used is my sister. She was willing to run up and down the farm for one whole day. Now, to do a movie with normal equipment, I know it's a big challenge, but I also found it quite a challenge to do with a cell phone, because you only have a small screen and a little bit of time to do your whole movie in, but I really enjoyed it. This building that we used in this shot was there the day, and the next day I got there, it was gone. They were busy taking down the roof. So we did this shot just in time.